I'm Courtney.
I'm Lindsay.
And this is Wixie Mixer. Welcome. Today we are hanging out with Broken Rosary from Boy Smells. We've done a few Boy Smells candles, and this one is a bit different than the others. It's much sweeter. This one's a bit more floral. We've got the cedar, the rose, the cardamom, and the moss and the cinnamon, and some orris. Yes, orris. Which is, what is orris?
It's a root.
It's a root. It's very dark, like most of the Boy Smell scents we've done, but it's a bit like more feminine, I want to say.
Yeah, it is more than the other ones.
Yeah. And this drink that Lindsay has already made for me is like the candle, sweeter than the others, and sweeter than the other, cocktails that we've done for the Boy Smells. And like we've mentioned before, I have a pretty dry palate, so this one for me, it's like
it's a little much. I like it.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's sweet. So if you like a sweet cocktail, this is the one. It's very, very
It's a little viscous.
Yes, it's thick. It's a thick one. So it's like this one's modeled off an old fashioned.
Mm-hmm.
So if you like an old fashioned, it's a bit different. Instead of using, we'll let Lindsay talk about the ingredients, but it's a little. It is old fashioned-esque. Adjacent. Yes. There we go. So go ahead, Lynn.
So we have the Bar Hill Tomcat, which is their barrel-aged gin. This gin is probably one of my favorite gins on the planet. It's super versatile. You can use it in like a gin drink, like a Negroni. It also makes a great old-fashioned type drink. So it's a really just well-rounded
I've
gin.
used it in hot toddies before too.
Fantastic.
It's real good hot toddies.
Bar Hill products are just
Well, because they use honey, right?
Yeah. I think there's something like a pound of honey per bottle or something like that. Something crazy. Which
I love honey.
Yeah, me too. So I'm okay with it.
Yep.
So we did 2 ounces of that. We're gonna do about a half ounce of the Saint Germain. And then we have this Ronamuck Maple, which ironically this maple syrup company did do a barrel-aged syrup with Bar Hill at one point.
Oh.
We're going to be using their cardamom syrup today, though.
Yes. Cardamom is one of the fragrance notes of the candle.
So we're going to use like a little bit more than a bar spoonful of that.
And for those of you who don't know, a bar spoon is roughly a teaspoon.
Something like that. And there's some rose water to give it that floral component.
And this really makes the drink very fragrant as well.
10 dashes of that. And we're going to stir it for a little bit.
Stirring keeps it nice and smooth, preserves the texture, less bubbly. Pour over a large ice cube, as you would normally do with an old fashioned, right?
Yep. And then we're just going to garnish it with just a bourbon soaked cherry here. Luxardo are my favorite, but these cherries do really nicely as well.
I hate cherries.
Sweet.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's the stuff. That's a good one. I love it.
I actually don't, but everyone's different. And I will drink it.
Some people are rude.
Some people are rude. But it's definitely, it hits the candle perfectly. Like, you really nailed it.
Yeah.
It's got that really, sweet, dark floral. It's actually, my favorite fragrances, usually. Like, I like, when I'm wearing perfume or, choosing a scent for my home, I do, like a darker floral. Something that's a little bit mature, a little bit sophisticated.
Yeah, I like...
This isn't a dumb drink.
No.
This is a very smart drink.
I enjoy it quite a bit. More so than my sister here.
You know what? Everything's not for everybody. I'm just letting you know. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you and be like, I love this. No. But it is tasty. I just don't like it.
Cool.
Love you, Liz.
Well, I like it more than enough for both of us.
Yes,
so.
she does. And it's delicious. I mean, again, if you like an old-fashioned, especially a sweeter old-fashioned, I know I have a lot of friends from the Midwest where they make old-fashions with brandy.
Oh, okay. So they would probably be right.
They would love it. They would love it.
Unlike you.
Unlike me. I love everything else you make. This is the first one. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments. And follow us on Instagram. Hit us up on TikTok. Like, we want to talk to you. We want to know what you want to see. And we want to see you here next time. So, again, thanks. I'm Court.
I'm Lindsay.
And this is Wixie Mixer.
Don't get mad
at me. Don't get mad at me. I'm drinking it.